back, as I said, just a recap, trying to move that boat. I think it's in the right sort of level in the painting. The horizon is about right for me as regards that slither of this. That's the top of the photograph there. Very light sky. It's actually a little bit darker over there. Not sure why. Maybe there were some clouds coming over from the Atlantic. As I say, that's the west, and most of our weather systems come in from that direction. So light sky, yeah, the horizon is about right for me, but I want to try and get in this nice circuit, this sort of arch of a path coming in from the left. Don't worry too much about the detail here. You can see these sort of buttresses here, these sort of strengthening bits. Looks like some gabions to strengthen that wall there. Don't worry too much about that. Just keep it nice and simple. And I say this every time. The most difficult thing for me is to know where to start. Am I gonna start by drawing in the focal point, or do I, being right-handed, I sometimes start from the left-hand side and I just go for it, and I paint down from the left-hand side. I think in this occasion, let me get the boat in. The main boat, that yellow yacht, and starting from the back of, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be using any nautical terms like bow and stern. I'll just say front and back, just in case people may not know what on earth am I talking about. Right, the top of the back of the boat. Let's make it, and I'm trying to visually imagine that boat sort of like that, and it does, the top of the boat does sort of curve up a little bit. Let's start from the back and then just make a, hopefully you can see this all right, just get my line in like that. So that's the front of the boat, and then back down to the bottom of the boat, the keel. There we are, got a nautical term in. And then the bottom of that keel, that's almost horizontal. It does go up just a slight bit, and then we've got the front of the boat like that. And the top half of the boat is yellow. And the bottom half is red. The cabin on the boat, fairly simple. There's a sort of, I guess where they steer the boat from is there. And then we've got some living quarters or whatever. There's a little sort of level above the hull, and the mast is going up there. I'll draw this mast in. Normally with distant boats, I wouldn't draw in the mast because I don't want the pencil line to show in the end drawing. Okay, right, that's my focal point. There are a few